Colin Francis Weeber Isaacs, born third quarter 1948, is a former politician in Ontario, Canada. He was a New Democratic Party member in the Legislative Assembly of Ontario representing the riding of Wentworth from 1979 to 1981. He works as an environmental consultant and journalist and publishes the Gallon newsletter. Background: he was born in New Malden, Surrey, England and was educated at the University of London and the University of Western Ontario. Isaacs served on the town council for Stony Creek. Politics: he ran for the provincial legislature in a by-election for the riding of Wentworth held on April 5, 1979. He won the contest defeating Progressive Conservative candidate Gordon Dean by 543 votes. 2 years later, he was defeated by Dean by 260 votes in the 1981 provincial election. Later life: he was a director of the Recycling Council of Ontario and executive director for the Pollution Probe Foundation. Isaacs was environmental columnist for the Financial Post from 1990 to 1994. He publishes and edits the Gallon Environment Letter, an electronic newsletter addressing environmental issues. References: external links. Ontario Legislative Assembly Parliamentary History: Colin Isaacs biography. Gallon Environment Letter. 1.